Hello everybody, welcome to the special edition of Microsoft Excel. Hope you're all keeping well in this tough time of coronavirus 19. Today I'm just going to show you about the Solvay financial assets on an equity analysis in a financial project. So you see the working capital, it's your initial investments and the cash flow details and your discount rates. Figures inserted because they will be inserted into the sheets as I go and do the maths on function tables. Okay, so you see it's missing the discount rate used. This is going to be a line statement. It's going to be related to the discount rate table. So, when it comes to I5, I6, I7, I8 and I9, the discount rate used will be inserted into related those percentages. So here we go. It starts off with an equals if. Okay, 6. Okay. K10. Multiply that by 1 or G7. G7 is the tax rate on the net income. It's 40%. Okay. This will change automatically if I change the number of percentages of any of the discount rate sums. So, for example, if I change the riskless rate to 5%, the change is down to 8.59%. The debt ratio, change that to 40%. 8.13%. So yeah, that's good. The discount rate is calculated so far, very good. Let's go down. The initial investment in working capital is €10,000, 25% for the working capital as of the percentage of the revenue. Then the substantial fraction at the end is 100%. This is not important, I do not enter those figures. It's just relating to the previous table, 10% and up. Okay, some of the missing figures are here on the table, which is core sum function tables. Investments, the working capital and operating costs and other investments. They're only just C, B, but they're not required on any mass sum tables. Investment is €50,000 C4. C4 and there. That, say if I change that to 60. Then I go back down. And there you see the investment is changed to €60,000. So yeah, automatically changed. Okay, now let's define the tax credit. It's just a small sum table, which is the investment itself. Then you multiply that by C9. €6,000. C9 is the tax credit here, if any, then 10%. We'll change that to 20%. My answer for the tax credit should go up. Yeah, change to €12,000. Okay, let's do the net investment. Okay, the investment is taken away the investment from the tax credit. And that's the answer for the net investment, €48,000. Okay, now in the initial investment. This will require all of the related sum tables in the table to add all together. So, B27 plus B28, B29 plus B30. The answer is €65,000 and €484. That is the initial investment. So very excellent. Nope, cancel. If you already been in your table, best off to cancel and don't replace it. Otherwise, some of your figures on your math, some function tables could go lost. You'll lose them. So always cancel it for safety reasons. Okay, let's go on the equipment. How to solve the equipment is in require an if statement. So if C23 equals C6 dot C7 dot 0. Let's see if it's just 6 altogether. No. So it's going to be into a 0. Let's undo that. And leaves like that. This will be compiled to euros. Okay. Now let's do the working capital. Another if statement. C23. Plus multiply that by C15. Okay, that's it for the salvage value. Next one's going to be operating cash flows, which requires a lifetime index. The lifetime index will require an if statement. So here's how it's going to go. Okay, so let's see, paste that to the others. So we have 1 year for B, 1 for D, 1 for H, and then 0 for the rest of them. Except L, so make L bigger. Okay. Next one is going to be about the revenues in the operating cash flows. Okay, this is going to be the first one, which is B, is going to be just equals G4. Convert that to euros. Well, then the next one on C39 will be a long sum. Okay, so it's 0. Yeah. Let's double check it. Okay, I'll continue this the next video. We're out of time, so thank you all for watching this so far. It's been a tough, difficult spreadsheet so far. It is a financial spreadsheet, so thank you all for watching this and have a good evening. Adios.